this team is probably going to go 2-2-2 except for us. So if they go 2-2-2-0 and we go 2-2-1-2, we're in first. So this is now this is now for who gets second place.
Oh my God.
Not that it will matter. Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, I just checked my watch. It's time to win. Okay. Easy money.
I need to write that down.
Write that down.
Dude, Trump just tweeted, everyone should quit this game except for us.
No gatherings of more than 3 Bs.
Alright, focus though. We gotta win. Just for our confidence. For our own ego. For someone else's ego. Okay. We're
Perfect tops! Perfect fucking tops!
Alright, I'm dead. Doesn't matter though.
It's okay. Just beautiful. I got the shadow throw.
No, well.
3 left, 3 left, 3 left. Hold it up, hold it up.
They also have 3 left. They also have 3 left.
Yeah.
They have 2. They have 2.
He's gonna keep ledging me. He's gonna keep ledging me, guys. We need to get someone up.
We're one. We're one.
They have 1 left. They have 1 left.
Oh,
they have 1 left.
Shit, where the fuck am I?
He's gonna make the throw. He's gonna make the throw. Watch him.
Block him.
No! Ah!
It's okay. It's okay. It's completely fine.
Can you scream again? I didn't hear that.
It's okay.
Okay. I mean, it literally doesn't matter. This is for fun right now.
Yeah. This is whatever. Alright, same thing.
If you just made the shadow throw, it would.
I did make the shadow throw. It was the drop throw. The drop throw. The drop throw.
That's not.
No one's up. No one's up. Oh, we got 1 up. We got 1 up. I'm going right gate. I'm going right gate. Oh, left gate. Left gate actually.
I lied about the wheels.
Okay, they're gonna get 1 up there.
Oh shit,
Fuck.
dead? What the fuck?
Done.
Good job.
Oh, the queen's dead? Watch the gun, watch the gun! Down, I'm down. Shadow?
Hello?
That was the call out. The entire call out was Shadow.
Done. I'm dead. We're both on fucking.
Okay, alright. This is a fucking shit ass show. I'm going gun. Down. Hold, you're last, get out of there.
Wow. I got pinched. Sorry.
Okay, we're wiped. The 3 up, get out of there. Yeah.
Win this round, guys. You don't want to play penguin?
Yeah, we don't want to play penguin. Well, we're gonna play we're literally gonna play penguin eventually, so like it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
There's no way we won't play penguin because whoever's gonna be second place in the other set is not good. It's gonna be like I don't even know who it would be, but like they're the only like team.
I think it's.
I'm going center. I'm going center. Three,
Okay,
gonna
yeah.
get the 4. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very close. Left.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's okay.
Vaughn, you're a good legend. No, it is okay. It's actually very good.
1 left.
Checked.
There it is. Done on tops. Get that last one in. Get that last one in. Oh, I'm gonna just put it in. Okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah.
KG is in second place right now.
Wow.
But you know, that group is pretty weak.
I've been giving him tips.
Yeah.
Penguin. Yeah.
Stop.
Penguin.
We got 1 up.
Bumping in right. They're gonna get 1 up. They're 1 up.
They have,
I be coming right.
What?
Up. Okay.
You're the only one.
You're the only one who can pull your head up high. Right gate, or left gate. Fucking nice punish. Okay, we're 3 up now. Let's try to kill that, the speed if we can. Or...
No.
I'm down.
Alright, cool. They're all down.
Okay. Hold.
I'm coming to that gate. I'm coming to that gate. No, you gotta hold the gate. You gotta hold the gate because we're down 2. Doesn't matter which one.
Okay. We're up 2. They're up 1, 2.
Going speed. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Done.
They're 1. Yeah, they're getting 2. I'm down.
Nah, I got really fucked there. Sorry. Right gate is. I'm looking.
Stay alive.
Once.
Wiped.
This is a fucking disaster.
No. We'll fucking.
Put him in.
No. Just,
Top. Hold.
Yep, we got
Yeah, we
this.
have mace.
okay.
We got a mace.
They don't have any objectives. So
I'm. Yeah. Just. It's okay. That's okay.
That was weak sauce. Sorry, dude. Fuck.
It's okay. We get to play them again. 1-1, 1-1.
Good games, guys.
Honestly, the only mistake was not taking 2 off soak.